Neeru Saxena, Assistant Professor in School of Computer Science. Today I am going to discuss about working with arrays. Now, once we are going to declare the array by declaring the int or the float mark 5. That means this is known as the array declaration. Array declaration means we declare the mark array with a size of 5, which is of float data type. Now, how do we access these element value? The element will be stored in the memory location through the index number, like mark 0, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, mark 4, and likewise. Now, all value will be stored as of float type. Now, in the given example, as we can say mark 0, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, mark 4, these represent 1, 2, 3, 4. They are known as the index number or the subscript. We can be able to access our element through the index number. The first index is 0, that is the base address or the base index. That is known as the smallest index in our array. If the size of an array is n, to access the last element of an array will be n minus 1 index can be used. Now, as contiguously memory allocation in case of array, now if we say if mark 0 is stored at memory location 2120D, the next element will be stored at 2124D location. How? The float consists of 4 bytes. So, if 0th element will be stored at 2120D memory location, the next element value will be plus 4. That is 2120 plus 4. That means 2124D. And if we talk about the third element, that means 2124 plus 4. That means 2128D will be the next memory location for the next element. How do we initialize an array? The initialization can be done by just giving the equal to sign and whatever the value we have to assign in the array, that will be declared over there. Like int 5 equal to 19, that means 0th element value, 10 will be first, 8th, second, 17, third, and fourth. So in this manner, the value will be stored at the contiguously memory location. Or we can alternatively initialize the value arrays in this manner. That means mark, if we are going to leave it empty, that means it is going to just allocate the index number by itself by initializing the values. Likewise, mark 0 consists of 19, mark 1 consists of 10, mark 2 consists of 8, mark 3 consists of 17, and mark 4 consists of 9. Now, the question arises, can we change the value of an array? Yes, we can. How we can? It's very simple. As we can be able to randomly access my array element, I'll just assign the next value into the particular index number. That is going to change the value of an array. Like at the mark 2 position, if we say 4, that means it consists of 8. And assigning the value 4, that means now it consists of 19, 10, 4, 17, and 9. And if we say mark 5, that means we are talking about the 5th element. No, we are talking about the 6th element. If we talk about the 6th element and 6th element is not there, so it is going to exceed the size. So in that manner, we cannot be able to assign the value which is out of the limit. So if we are going to assign some value, we wanted to change some value, it should be within the limit, that is within the declaration of the value of the variable. Now the question arises, how to input and output the value, input and output the array. Input can be done, as we know, that through scanf, and output can be done by using printf. So in the array also, how we can be able to do scanf? If it is of integer type of value, then %d. If it is of float type of value, %f. And if it is of a character type of value, %c. Then ampersand, that means reference, and the array name and the what we have to do is the index number. Over here, we are going to we are going to input the value of the second element, and in the second case we are going to input the value of the ith. Ith means whatever the length of the array we have declared, that will be the size of the array, minus 1. That means if we talk about the I will be 4. 4 minus 1 means, that means it will be of third element. Now at the same moment of time, output can be done through printf. Now printf percentage %d, if it is of integer type, then the array, the subscript number or the index number with the array name is going to give me the output of the desired array variable. Similarly, with the, if we are going to say I consists of the 4, so in the case of second case, the mark 4 minus 1, that means it is going to show me the or display the value of the array element of the third element. Now I can explain it with the help of example. How do we write a program to input 5 values and to print them? As we know that these are the code for, like, we have to include our header file and preprocessor, and then after that we have to just say main function. After the main function, whatever the declaration of the variable we have to say, we just declare the variable array of 5 elements with the I, because we are going to input all the 5 values through an array. Now this is the display statement. Enter 5 integer values. After that we have to use the scanf, but we have to ask 5 values. If we are going to ask the 5 values, we have to use the loop instead of giving 5 scanf statements. For I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. That means it is going to ask 5 values from the user by using a scanf. Over here, first element will be A0, then A1, then A2, A3, A4, A5. So in that manner, 5 values will be asked. Now, the advantage of array is that it is going to retain the value of an array till the end of the application, unless until the new value will not be assigned. Now, once all the value will be stored at the separate memory location, by using the index number, we can be able to access those values. So, if we give the same loop to print the values, then I just have to give for loop, and with the help of the for loop, I can be able to display the element stored at the 0th, 1, 2, 3, 4 memory location, and that will be displayed one after the other, which I had inputted through the user. So this is the way we can make our work easier by using the array, and we can be able to do n number of application in a easier manner by using array.